We've got a list of 4 altcoins here that we're confident will 40x in the next bull run. And of course, probably a couple of these projects will outperform the others on the list. But taken together, you can realistically turn $400 into $16,000, which is nearly the price of a full Bitcoin right now. Let's start here with entry number 1. It is Lossless, ticker LSS. That is the token of the Lossless project. And it's the one altcoin with the potential to give you up to 60x on your investment here. More on that in just a second, but really the big deal here is that Lossless offers more than a regular crypto token. Security, of course, is such a big challenge in the market right now, and DeFi protocols are huge targets. Investors are unfortunately losing money. So Lossless is aiming to help its users mitigate fraud. And so given the high demand for what Lossless is delivering, we feel this is a 60x potential project, meaning you could turn $100 invested into $6,000. Now, we are super excited about Lossless because the project claims it can detect hacks automatically, as well as bots. And in the case, for example, of a fraudulent transaction, it's going to be able to reverse the transfer. So effectively, the stolen crypto gets returned back to its owner. And that is pretty impressive if true. Now, Lossless uses the LSS token for several activities. These include staking, payment of fees, participation in voting, and as a reward for users who detect fraud. LSS is currently trading at 13.97 cents, so nearly 14 cents. It has a market cap of $7,763,000, a circulating supply of 55.5 million LSS coins, and a total supply of 100 million LSS coins. Now, historically speaking, LSS peaked at $2.40 back on the 20th of October last year, 2021. And then afterwards, it definitely entered a pretty rough phase. LSS's price has fluctuated really ever since it launched, but that's the same with any other crypto really in the market. Lossless uses a 2-step approach to recover stolen funds. First, it freezes the hacker's wallet. Then a decentralized decision-making body verifies the hack. And furthermore, Lossless uses its community and technology to spot hacks. So users who actually spot those hacks will receive a reward in LSS tokens. And you should probably care about this initiative because security platforms are going to be in high demand in the coming months. They already are. And Lossless is well positioned to attract investors for that reason. So how investors and users react to Lossless's offerings is crucial. It's going to decide the LSS price trajectory. But rewarding users who spot hacks is a great strategy for growth. It's also a very impressive incentive. Community members, of course, will be motivated to make the platform better in order to earn more rewards. So as we see it, the LSS token has plenty of room for growth. Coin number 2 is coming right up, but just a friendly reminder. We do wish you the best of luck if you choose to invest, but don't consider this to be official financial or investment advice. Once again, don't forget that for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz access group is free. And during that time, you can get our great weekly reports, which cover the state of the crypto market and NFTs. This comes from our terrific and outstanding research team. Check it out. The link is in the description of this video. All right. Coin number 2 is Clearpool. Ticker is CPOOL, CPOOL, and it can easily 10x from here. That's because it has massive potential, but just conservatively speaking, if you put $100 into it, we feel it could easily reach $1,000 at the height of the next bull market. And CPOOL is the native token of the Clearpool protocol, and Clearpool is a decentralized capital markets ecosystem. So that means it provides uncollateralized liquidity to institutions. Now, when you look at the market, there are certainly several lending protocols from which to choose, but Clearpool has a different approach, which gives it a distinct advantage. Whitelisted borrowers can open uncollateralized positions. This is different from the common trend in DeFi. Projects often opt for 150 to 200% over-collateralized positions. Yet borrowers must stake 500,000 CPOOL to open a position, but they are not exposed to market volatility that could lead to liquidation. Clearpool started last year in 2021. It was launched by Robert Alcorn and Alessio Quiglini. Clearpool's under-collateralized loans meet the need of large institutions, and that makes it a project with huge potential. Which means that if you're looking for a good long-term investment, one that institutions are going to be looking to, CPOOL is a pretty good choice. It has a market cap right now of $11.4 million at a price of 3.4, just really under 3.5 cents. It has a circulating supply of 293 million CPOOL coins, and CPOOL has a max supply of 1 billion CPOOL. Coin number 3 on our list, the best ticker in the entire industry, LIT, L-I-T, representing Litentry. Now, this could do a potential 30x. That would equate to $3,000 at the height of the next bull market based on a $100 investment. And that's because Litentry solves one of the biggest problems in crypto. It connects user identity on all kinds of different platforms. That might not sound like too much of a big deal, but believe me, it is, because identity is fast becoming a very serious concern in the blockchain space, and Litentry is really sitting right at the helm of this ship. Litentry provides decentralized identity aggregator services, so it can link user identities across blockchains like Solana and Ethereum. And it's built on Substrate, which enables it to leverage some of the best technologies in the ecosystem. And the project actually won slot number 15 in the recent Polkadot Parachain auctions. So Litentry shares in Polkadot's security. And Litentry also caters to the privacy needs of its users. It uses an incognito on-chain data processing feature to achieve this. Both developers and regular users stand a chance to profit from Litentry. Developers can leverage Litentry's tools to build applications, and users can also access a data explorer to check their own data. Betting on the LIT token should be based on 2 core factors. First of all, the coming demand for cross-chain identity projects. And then secondly, Litentry's potential as a leading cross-chain identity project. The world is rapidly moving toward an operational Web3 ecosystem. And of course, cross-chain identity providers are going to play a huge role because they're going to help to provide a smooth user experience. And Litentry is miles ahead of other identity projects. Litentry can interconnect a large amount of data and protect its users' privacy. And furthermore, Litentry's features are perfect for DeFi. Another great way to know whether a project will blossom is by looking at its partners. And here, Litentry already has a pretty good number of reputable partners. Some of them include Decredit, IME, Paid Network, Ontology, Standard Protocol, Injective, Siri, and more. The LIT, the LIT token, is the native cryptocurrency of the Litentry protocol, and it's also going to serve as a driver in the ecosystem. So this means that as Litentry continues to grow, there will be more price movement for LIT, and users will pay gas fees also in LIT tokens. They'll also receive rewards in LIT. And as of this recording, LIT trades at 88.48 cents. It has a market cap of just over $35 million. It has a circulating supply of 39.6 million LIT coins, and there's a max supply of 100 million LIT coins. There's been a lot of volatility in LIT's price. As you can see, the all-time high here is above $12. It's even soared recently more than 150% from its lowest level in 2022. It is important to know that buying this token doesn't mean immediate profit. It may be more of a slow burn, but it's going to be a steady mover. And again, the potential is massive. Okay, and finally, coin number 4, the last entry on our list, is AZERO. That's AZERO, the token of the project Aleph Zero. And it's our last coin in the video here. The project operates as a privacy-focused blockchain, and it's actually designed to boost Web 3.0 activities. Aleph Zero offers access to privacy-enhancing tools, and developers will find this project pretty useful because it is designed to help them create more robust systems. Aleph Zero is based on a directed acyclic graph algorithm, so it's able to tackle issues from the blockchain trilemma. And furthermore, using DAG enhances the platform's speed. Aleph Zero provides open access to enhanced DeFi features. The project also tries to solve the following problems, things like high costs, privacy issues, and congestion. These are all serious concerns, of course, currently in the blockchain ecosystem, and so AZERO is well positioned to stay in high demand. We feel this one has a lot of potential. This could 60x, as could Lossless, so an investment of $100 could result in $6,000 at the height of the next bull market. And that's largely because AZERO is enterprise ready. This means that the project is set to meet the needs of the largest possible clients, and it provides these users with access to blockchain. And AZERO has the potential to be listed on top exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. The team is full of professionals, and they seem detailed enough to pull it off. Listing on some of these top exchanges will definitely move the price upward. AZERO has raised $15 million for continued development, and it's also integrated with the Substrate stack. So as a result, AZERO has some pretty unique technology, which of course adds to the value of its proposition. Like I said, some of these projects are probably going to perform better than some others, but taken together, here's a look at the table in its totality. We realistically feel that you invest now $400 across these 4 projects, you could be looking at $16,000 worth of value at the height of the next bull market. Once again, don't forget that for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz Access group is free. And during that time, you can get our great weekly reports, which cover the state of the crypto market and NFTs. This comes from our terrific and outstanding research team. Check it out. The link is in the description of this video.